This is the third part of the story. And the little spotty ladybird, who never before had said a word, told the animals, "This is how two thieves are planning to steal the cow. They'll open the gate at the dead of night, past the horse and then turn right, round the duck pond, past the hog, be careful not to wake the dog, left past the sheep, then straight ahead and in through the door of the prize cow's shed." And the cow said, "Moo," and the hen said, "Cluck." "Hiss," said the goose, and "Quack," said the duck. "Neigh," said the horse. "Oink," said the hog. "Baa," said the sheep. "Woof," said the dog. And both the cats began to meow, meow, meow. "We can't let them steal the fine prize cow." But the ladybird had a good idea, and she whispered into each animal ear. Enjoy challenge 3.
Hello little learners. So today we're going to do challenge 3 from What the Ladybird Heard story. So you'll have an envelope like this with challenge 3 on. So you need to open it up, and then inside you will have a matching game. So me and Sophie are going to demonstrate the game to you. So if Sophie goes first, she's going to turn over one of the pictures, and she's got a ladybird. So because she's got the ladybird on hers, she can put it on there, and then that's one of her squares filled. So if I have a go, and I've got a sheep, and I've got the sheep on my board, so I can stick that on there. Right, now Sophie's turn. Oh, a cat. So Sophie hasn't got the cat, so she has to put it back down, but then I have to try and remember where the cat was. So where did she put the cat? Right, I think it was here. It is. So there's the cat, and I've got the cat here, so if I put it on there. So I've got 1, 2 squares filled, and Sophie's just got 1 square filled at the minute. So now it's Sophie's turn again. She's got the little boy. Oh, so that means that Sophie's now got 1, 2 squares filled. So my turn. Oh, a cow. But I haven't got the cow, so I need to put the cow back down. And now it's Sophie's turn. See if she can remember where the cow was. Oh, so there's the cow. So she can put it on there. So now Sophie's got 1, 2, 3, and I've got 1, 2. So let's see if we can find another one. Oh, we've got a duck. So if I can put the duck on there, I've got the duck. So I've now got 3. So now Sophie's turn. She's got a pig. And she's got the pig, so she can put that down. So now Sophie's got 1, 2, 3, 4 squares filled. So let's have another go. Oh, I've got the farmer. But I haven't got the farmer on my board, so if I turn it back over, and then it's Sophie's turn to see if she can remember where the farmer was. Oh no, it's the duck, and Sophie hasn't got the duck, so I can turn the duck over then and put it on my board, and then I've got the duck, so I've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need 1, 2, and Sophie needs 1, 2 as well. So Sophie's turn again. Oh, it's a pony. So Sophie's got the pony, so she's filled that, so she's now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she's got 1 square left to fill. Right, my turn. Oh, the farmer, I've picked him up again. So if I put him back down, and then it's Sophie's turn. Oh, she's got the dog. So Sophie hasn't got the dog on her board, so she has to put it back down. And then I remembered where Sophie put the dog, so I'm going to pick it up and then put it on top of my dog, and then I filled that square. So now I've got the hen and Sophie's got the farmer to find. So let's see if Sophie can find the farmer. There's the farmer. So if Sophie puts the farmer on there, that means that she's filled all of hers. So she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares filled. And then the last one for mine is the hen. So if I stick it on there, and that's all of mine filled. So we've both finished the game. Sophie won, but it doesn't matter because I came second. It doesn't matter who wins. But remember to take turns and see if you can name the animals and see if you know what noises the animals make. So enjoy the game, let us know how you get on, and enjoy the story. Bye!